Hello students, I am here again with the last lecture on chapter 4, that is climate of your geography syllabus. The third most important season is advancing monsoon season, which is popularly known as rainy season. This season is experienced by whole India between June to September. At this time, low pressure in the northern plains of India intensified after the summer season, and that attracts winds from all over the different parts of the world, and the wind start moving from sea to land area. Dear students, we have already discussed about the mechanism of monsoon winds for bringing rainfall in India. Southeast trade winds, after crossing equator due to Coriolis force, deflects toward right hand side and become southwest monsoon wind. And due to the tapering shape of India, southwest monsoon winds bifurcate into two parts. The branch that blows over Arabian Sea is known as Arabian Sea branch, and the other part blows over Bay of Bengal is known as Bay of Bengal branch. Arabian Sea branch strike western Ghats and on its windward side bring heavy rainfall, and the amount of rainfall which is measured is approximately 250 centimeters. The Bay of Bengal branch strikes Garo Khasi Jaintia hills and bring heavy rainfall in the northeastern region. Mawsynram is the place in Meghalaya that receives the highest amount of rainfall in the world. Some areas like Rajasthan, Gujarat also receives a scanty amount of rainfall due to the monsoon winds. These monsoon winds reached on the different dates in the different parts of the India. That topic we have already discussed in the previous lecture, and all these dates were reflected in this map also. Sometimes during monsoon these winds become weak and do not carry moisture. So on some days we do not get any rainfall, and these dry spells were known as break-in monsoon. Due to these monsoon winds, various regions of India receives rainfall. Some are flooded due to this rainfall, and some regions receive very less amount of rainfall. Sometimes it is also observed that low pressure will become weak due to some climatic factors and reduces or weakens the monsoon rainfall, whereas on the other time it may come on time. That is why monsoon is regarded as uncertain many times. The fourth season is the retreating monsoon season. This season occurs in the month of October and November. Sun start moving toward Tropic of Capricorn, and due to apparent movement of the sun, temperature and pressure condition reverse. Now these monsoon winds start retreating from the Indian landmass due to high pressure. At this time, winds move from sea to land. This map shows the direction of retreating monsoon winds. At this time, sky will become clear and the day temperature and humidity increases on the landmass. This phenomena is known as October heat. Southern India many times experience cyclonic storm in this season. This slide shows the reverse direction of monsoon winds during summer and winter. These reverse direction indicate the seasonal reversal of the monsoon winds. Now the question is that how the amount of monsoon rainfall is distributed within the Indian landmass. So the answer to this question is that all the windward sides of the mountain receives maximum or heavy rainfall, whereas the leeward side will receive average or low rainfall. That is why leeward side is often regarded as rain shadow area. Rainfall distribution in India is divided into 7 regions on the basis of amount of rainfall received by the particular region. This distribution is very well depicted by this map. We all know that India is the land of diversities, but the monsoon acts as a unifying bond for the whole India. Monsoon rhythm is same all over India. Monsoon affects the life of all the people of India. Many festivals celebrated around this monsoon season throughout the India. Although their names were different, but all of them mark the arrival of monsoon in India. And India is an agricultural country, so the monsoon is warmly welcomed by all the farmers equally throughout the country. That's all, students, for the chapter Climate. Hope you all liked the presentation and understood the topic so well. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you so much.